Hello, this is my electrochemistry lab, and here I have 3 batteries, Rayovac, double A, Duracell, double A, and I have Energizer, CR2032, and I have my grapefruit, lemon, and lime, and my voltmeter. Okay, now to start, I'm going to measure the voltage of each battery. So let's start with the Duracell Power Boost. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. And for the Duracell, and I have my electrodes, aluminum and copper. All right, to measure the voltage of the double A Duracell Power Boost. I'm reading 1.69 volts. 1.69 volt. That's for the Duracell. Another pen. .69. Now I'm gonna measure the voltage of the Rayovac double A. Plus, go on top, and the minus. I'm reading 1.59 volts. That's for the Duracell. The Rayovac. .59. Gonna double check. Double check. 1.59. All right. Now we're going to do the Energizer CR2032. Energizer CR22, the positive is on the back. And I'm reading 3 3.3, 3.30, 3.30. Energizer, 3.30. Okay. Compare the voltage of the package to the measured voltage. So for the Duracell AA, on the package I'm reading 1.5 voltage, 1.5 volt, comparing to my measurement, which is 1.69. 1.5 compared to 1.69. For the Rayovac, on the package it also says 1.5 here, 1.5 comparing to 1.59, pretty close. And for my Energizer, on the package for the Energizer, it says, I saw it, 3 volts lithium. Yeah, and I'm reading 3.30 for the Energizer. Yeah, 3 volt. And I'm reading 3.30. Now we're going to move on to the fruits, to the grapefruit, the lemon, and the lime. This is my grapefruit. Copper electrode, aluminum electrode, so I cut it, and I cut it on the around the equator. So I have the two sides. I'm going to insert the copper electrode, the aluminum electrode in one section of the fruit, and the copper electrode in the same section. Do not let them touch each other. That's the aluminum and the copper. Different sections. The same section. That's the first step. Yes. Aluminum electrode on one section of the fruit, but the copper electrode in the same section. Do not let them touch the aluminum. And we're going to measure the voltage. I am reading 0.53. 0.53. I don't know if you can see it. Now 0.51, 0.53. That was the first that I read. Now it's 0.51. I'll say 0.51 volts for the grapefruit. When I put both electrodes in the same section. Same section. 0.53 volts. And measure the percentile on each. Now I'm going to put the copper in a different section. I'm going to measure the voltage. I'm reading 0.49. 0.49. Comparing, I'm 48 now. 0.49. When I put them in a different section, grapefruit, different section, 0.49. I'm going to repeat the same process with the lemon and the lime. I have the lime first, aluminum and copper, okay. It's kind of hard with the, okay. And this one. I'm reading 0.50 on the same section. 0.50 for the lime, same section, 0.50. In different section. We're going to try that now. Okay. I'm reading 0.46 in a different section. 0.46. Went down a little bit now. Zero point 41, 0.42. I would say 0.42. Okay, 0.42. That's a different section, 0.42. I'm going to repeat the same process with the lemon. I had the lime here, and now I have the lemon. Same section first. For the lemon, I'm reading same section, 0.40 volts. 0.40, same section, they're not touching each other. 0.40. Lemon. Same section. 0.40, different section, coming soon. Copper, different section. Let's see, different section. And I'm going to measure, and I have 0.60 volts, 50, 59, 58, keep it decreasing. 0.56, that's the lowest. Right, 0.56 volts. these were my measurements for the lemon, the lime, the grapefruit, and all the 3 batteries. Thank you very much.